Noah for American Trucks here, and I've got big news for all the Chevy truck fanatics out there. There's a new Colorado coming your way, and that is the jaw-dropping 2024 Colorado ZR2 Bison. We saw it released today, and boy, does it look sweet and very capable of ripping around in the sand. The Chevy Colorado has really taken off lately and proved itself to be a serious competitor for the new Ranger. If you're into intense trucks, this is a wonderful time to be alive, and it seems like manufacturers are just relentlessly pushing the boundaries for what's possible with a completely stock from the factory midsize pickup. So when you analyze all the offerings from all the big names, I truly feel that the 2024 ZR2 Bison stands out among the rest and is the most promising and most impressive midsize pickup of all time. So what makes the 2024 Bison so spectacular is the fact that it comes from the factory with all the predictable upgrades that new owners would want to do in the first place. We're looking at factory 35-inch tires. This is only one of two vehicles in the entire Chevy lineup to ever have them installed, and the other is the Silverado 2500 HD ZR2. There aren't any other midsize pickups available with a 35-inch tire as well, with the rest of the competition running 33s. Now those tires are mounted on factory AEV beadlock capable wheels as well, so you have that option if you're looking to air down really far for the sand. To clear those mammoth mud terrain tires, Chevy installed a factory-equipped 4.5-inch suspension lift with segment-first front and rear jounce control dampers, and they widened the chassis overall for better stability. Then to cover those meats, they made one-off fender flare arches that are unique to the Bison. There's even hydraulic front and rear bump stops from Multimatic included so that you can land comfortably when you get air. Yes, you heard me correctly. The Bison can and is designed to jump. So when you've got all that ground clearance, 12.2 inches to be exact, naturally you're gonna wanna go over some stuff, you know? Well, you don't have to worry about that either because the Bison has full underbody protection with 5 boron steel skid plates. Now, this thing is truly ready to rip the trail or the dune out of the box, so to speak. There's even a bed-mounted spare tire carrier and everything, so you don't need to worry about that either. Every base is covered, and it's like Chevy asked consumers what they wanted and actually listened. Now this thing even has a towing capacity of 5,500 pounds as well. It's still a functional truck at the end of the day, and that's a super important aspect when shopping for a truck for me, and I'm sure all of you as well. Now there isn't anything special motor or transmission-wise with the Bison, and it's still the same 2.7 liter 4-cylinder from the regular ZR2 with the 8-speed auto and all-wheel drive with electronically locking differentials. That's nothing to shake a stick at though, and it's still got 310 horsepower and 450 foot-pounds of torque. Plenty to get a mid-sized truck moving very quickly, especially when you switch it over into Baja mode and use the factory integrated launch control that can even adjust itself for whatever surface or driving conditions you find yourself on. All in all, this is a legendary addition to the mid-sized truck world, and I think it's going to be a seriously big hit with consumers. The 2024 Colorado ZR2 Bison is supposed to begin production later this year, and there's still some secrecy as far as pricing goes, but following the trend of new vehicle pricing, I'm sure it's going to be up there, and maybe even more so with all of those upgrades. But you don't need to do them after you buy the truck because they already came on the Bison from the factory, so a speculative large price tag will be worth it in the end. So let me know what you think about the 2024 Bison. Maybe you liked it, maybe you didn't. Either way, go ahead and tell us your thoughts down in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more news and lots of other videos right here at AmericanTrucks.com.